Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwividiyo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge i-support nothando enikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisiphote njalo ngokubuka amavidiyo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwividiyo namuhla. Sidibane ney'ndaba zokuthi uLiam Jacobs sekajoyine i-PA, Patriotic Alliance, and simazi thina a-member of parliament edeploy i-DA. Umuntu-ke o-interrogate nayo lapha eParliament akadlali, ikakhulukazi kule portfolio committee akuyo ye-Sports, Arts and Culture. So kungithusile-ke lokhu, ngaqala ngangakukholwa kodwa mase ngibhekisisa ngase ngiyabona ukuthi kuyiqiniso. Nokule video-ke ngifisa ukuveza ukuthi isiphi isizathu esingenza ukuthi ashiye i-DA ayojoyina i-PA. Ngizokucaphunela sona. Kwivideo yesibili engifisa ukudlula kuyo kodwa ngizoqala ngayo. Ngiye ngenza ivideo la ngikhuluma ngodaba lolu lebelishow uMbalula, ngalihlukanisa ukuthi lineqiniso line-propaganda. Ngase ngibona ukuthi abantu ngenxa yokungabi nalwazi, umuntu uthi enganalwazi abefuna ukukuphikisa kodwa akanalwazi. Ngase ngithi cha, angizukukhuluma ngalo futhi kodwa ngizofaka ivideo kaRamaphosa efunda amacala enziwa aboMalema eyazenza ukuthi abagcine bexoshiwe kwi-ANC. Ivideo yesithathu sizokhuluma ngoFloyd. uFloyd bekakhuluma somewhere izolo kwenye i-union, ithi ngisho njalo, i-union la wazinikela yena ukuthi uyavolontiya ukuthi uzosebenza kuyo. Sizokhava lokho nje kule video, ngicela uzwe la.
Kuthiwa i-revolutionary xa kabizwa apha inkunzi malanga ehamba yonke indawo kuthiwa nguPhopho. Ya kuthiwa nguPhopho, hayi idabi ulibambile. Emadoda, umuntu okhokela le country for more than 20 years. Yathi Youth League isithi umhlaba ezandleni zabantu eDurban wababiza ku-DC. Bathi economic freedom, bathi i-Reserve Bank must be nationalized, wababiza ku-DC. Wacreata i-charges zobagxotha kwi-ANC. Wathi no, they broke the policy because they fought i-BDP. I-BDP is the longest ally of the ANC. Dimbone namhlanje ukuthi no man, lo muntu betha ngepattern eyi-1.
Isizathu senza ukuthi ngidlale le video kaMbalula, ngifuna ukuveza lento ade yisho umzuleke ukuthi utheni uMbalula. Kanti uColleen Malatsi yena wakhuluma kanje.
Malema was fired for economic freedom. Not true. It's a lie. It's a lie. That must be clarified. He was fired for ill discipline. He was fired for contravening the constitution of the ANC.
Engiyithanda la ngoColleen Malatsi, ngiyamazi kwesinye isikhathi awulahla ugesi kodwa la ukhuluma iqiniso, waxoshwa ngokuphula ipolicy ye-ANC. Ngicela ukuthi uzwe nansi ivideo ke ezochaza ukuthi yiphi ipolicy ayiphula.
The appeal of Floyd Shivambu. The appellant has appealed to the NDCA against the conviction and sanction of the NDC handed down on the 10th November 2011, in which the appellant was found guilty on 2 counts of contravening Rule 2550 AA, BB, and CC of the ANC Constitution, in that he swore at a journalist, thereby bringing the organization into disrepute, and for issuing a statement which was in contravention of the ANC policy, and he issued a press statement on Botswana which was also in contravention of ANC policy.
Phambi kokuthi siqhubeke no President Cyril Ramaphosa, angazi noma sisekhona isidingo noma sengingayeka, kodwa useyichazile imithetho abayiphulile. Abangazi uJulius Malema wathuka i-journalist e-BBC. Mhlawumbe awazi uqala ukulandela ipolitiki manje bese uqhamuka usuphika lana ubhale yonke inhlobo yenhlambo ufuna ukuyibhala comments. Uma ungazi akusho ukuthi into ngoba uyazi wena i-wrong, akusho ukuthi into ngoba uyazi wena engamanga. ngifuna futhi ukukucaphunela ukuthi imaphi lemthetho ayiphulile ngokwe-constitution ye-ANC zwana la.
2 counts of contravening Rule 2550 AA, BB, and CC of the ANC Constitution in that he swore at a journalist.
Ngiqhubeka ngene kodaba la lensizwe sijoin iPA ngoba I was just proving a point nje ukuthi umuntu owaxosha uJulius ku-ANC uCyril naye uJulius uyishilo wathi uzisholo yena wathi uCyril and abantu funeka baqonde ukuthi ilo iANC ayifani neMK Party ayifani neEFF akusi one man show akuyona one man show akusho ukuthi uma upresident uthatha wonke ama decision ku-ANC upresident bakhola into order ku-ANC baxosha futhi upresident ingekho futhi into ongayenza NEC khona ingaphe kwakho as upresident bayakukhumbuza futhi umphakathi ukuthi no namphakathi nivotela iANC not umuntu. So funa abantu ba understand ukuthi akungathi ngobe iEFF noma iMK Party one man show mase kukhuluma yena yonke into isithathwa njengoba injalo cha akusetshenzwe kunama structure kunabantu akuyibona abathatha ama decisions upresident une role yakhe kunabantu abane role yabo so abantu funa baqonde lokho. Isizathu senza ukuthi le ndoda izishiye iDA iyojoina iPA ngicela ukucaphunela into ayibhalile ubhale kanje good morning South Africa I'm fine uthi sengikhululekile finally ukulwela iqiniso neaccountability nejustice kuyaqhubeka uthi finally sengisekhaya danke man I am finally home. Sizathu senza ukuthi le ndoda ingaze idele iDA iziyojoin iPA sisodwa ukuthi iDA ayiwakhathalela amakhaladi. So njengoba eyikhaladi iDA abantu abakhathalele ngabelungu kuphela mawuyikhaladi noma umnyama hayi abakhathalele iWestern Cape ranwa yibo iyanconywa ukuthi iDA iphethe kahle Western Cape Cape Town clean kunjani kubalwa zonke izinto eziningi kodwa umphakathi wamakhaladi uyakhala manje le ndoda angeke ukuthusa ukubona senje ngoba ikhaladi ngicela uzwe la.
One choice for service delivery that comes from the city of Cape, the DA-led city of Cape Town.
Debate around this is a
We
statement.
can always have a debate about
So we're
it.
standing in Manenberg when all I smell is shit wherever I go. All I see is dirt. Can we talk service delivery, sir?
Yes, sir.
Let's go. No, don't tell him to stand down, so let him talk. The man's talking about service delivery. Talk. Damn! Tell us about the service delivery. Compare the service delivery of Manenberg to Tableview. Or Malnerton. Let's go M&M. No, let's have this conversation. Ooh, political suicide.
Uyabona nje bethi asiqhathanise ngoba le ndawo ukhuluma service delivery yamakhaladi asiqhathanise naletha labelungu sibone kwenzakalana wavela wathola lo mlisa weDA ngoba akazi uzothini ngoba uyazi vele ukuthi amakhaladi abawakhathalele asiqhubeke.
Show us the colours. We are not a non-entity, but I'm sitting here today representing people who are hopeless. We are committed to ending white supremacy in the Western Cape. That is so flippant that a mere 8% of white people occupy 50% of all management positions in the Western Cape, while coloured people with degrees sit at home or worse. As the NCC, we are committed to returning the land that was taken, listen to how I say it to you, taken from us, scars from which we will never recover. We are committed as the NCC to ending the DA in the Western Cape by any means necessary. I say to you today, Lance, South Africa, that this country will never yield until it treats the coloured community fairly. Until we have that day, we can forget about talking about freedom. Remember Nelson Mandela says, our freedom, it can never be complete until the Palestinian people are free. Yet South Africa finds itself with its own version of the Palestinian people. You know them as the Coloureds. 2024, we bring you the Coloured Spring. Mr. Premier, you need to empty our house. Thank you.
Engobuza nje ukuthi eWestern Cape la kuphethe khona iDA amakhaladi asidelined. So ngeke umangala ubhuti lo eyikhaladi ethi finally I'm free ngoba uyayazi incindezelo yeDA. Uyazi kahle. Yabona nje uHerman Mashaba unenzondo ye-DA ngoba ubeyimember ye-DA isikhathi eside. uMusi Maimane beyimember ye-DA akatrithwanga kahle ngoba lapha they only care about abelungu kuphela. Mawumnyama noma ikhaladi you'll suffer the consequences. Asicaphuni ivideo yokugcina eyafika ngizwisa ubuhlungu mangizwa. Asicaphuni.
I think it's necessary. I think it is time. I want to say to you, Mr. President, you can correct your mistake. There is time. Because I heard a man stand here wanting to engage the Minister of Police about cattle theft. But my boys are dying 10 at a time on the Cape Flats per day. He does not speak to SAPS about that. A white man's sheep is more important than colored lives. To Honorable John Steenhuisen.
Anje mangabe unalomlando lo bese ubona indoda eyikhaladi iphuma iyojoina i-political party edominate amakhaladi, you'll understand ukuthi okay isizathu yiso lesi ngoba vele kucacile uJohn Steenhuisen wathembisa impela ukuthi no uzokhuluma namaphoyisa ukuze kulekelele ukubonakala ukuthi kuliwa kanjani nabantu abatshontsha izimvu zabelungu. Ingakho lebuza ukuthi hawu amakhaladi efaka kangaka ku-Cape Flats awukaze wakhuluma nominister wamaphoyisa, awukaze ushuthi izimvu zabelungu zibaluleka ukwedlula impilo zamakhaladi. So angeke ukukuthuse mawubona indoda ishiya i-DA bese ibhala amagama ethi finally ngi-free ngoba i-DA doesn't care about the colored community. They don't care. That's why indawo lezi ehlala amakhaladi is underdeveloped. That's why le ndoda bekunzima ukuthi ikhulume nge-service delivery. That is the reason why indawo njengabo Gugulethu, Nyanga, Khayelitsha zi-underdeveloped. I-DA ingazilungisanga ngoba they don't care. Balungise nje la okuhlala khona abelungu bakubo.
Come up, Patriots! Come up! Kukurukugu! Come up! Ek is by die huis. Welcome home, homie. Ek is by die huis. We only have us. Ons is hier. Ek is by die huis. Patriots, let me tell you something. You know, and this is from the bottom of my heart. You know, when Liam made contact with us, he said something. He said, I'm coming. I don't care if you guys want me to open the gate, the PA, if you guys want me to wash cars. Ek kan niet met mensen bekleden. You know, for me, when he said that, ek kan niet met mensen bekleden. Ek kan niet met mensen bekleden. Ek ging niet om me. Wat hulle gaan doen my nie, or whether I'm going to wash cars or thing. Ek kom PA toe, waar kan ek gaan klere koop? But what I want to say to you is that you are home. Yes, you're home. Let me tell you, we will never turn against you here. Never. I'm saying this on a life. My people know loyalty is everything to us. Love for each other is everything. We just a family, man. We just a family. If one makes a mistake, we help each other. And I can tell you, keeping this secret was very hard. Yo.
Asidluleke silelo dabeni lika Floyd. uFloyd ubekhuluma izolo lapho bekhona ngazi ukuthi noma imawusa na. So sizomdedela kakhulu mesizwe ukuthi uhlele ukuthini kodwa ke uzinikele yena wathi uzoyilekelela. uFloyd ke masikhuluma iqiniso ukorganizer istructure ngoba nese EFF uyawaskhan simbonile fe kumkhonto wesizwe but fe kungena constitution kungena structure wafike wakhanda ubhala constitution wakhanda ama structure namhlanje kunama structure ngenxa yakhe nalana kuzibophezela ukulekelela ngathi mawusa mangenza iphutha. So asimuzwe ukuthi uthini uFloyd.
Viva Mandahashu Workers Union of South Africa, viva! Maivuye! Ya Africa! Maivuye! Ya Africa! Maivuye! Ya Africa! Maivuye! Ya Africa! Long live the fighting spirit of the June 16th generation. Long live! Long live the fighting spirit of Tsenzi Mashinini. Long live. Long live the fighting spirit of Muiso Makubo. Long live. Long live the fighting spirit of Khotsosi Ahlula. Long live. Amanda. Away. Two. No, thank you very much. Sanbonani. Mulweni. Thobela. Abusheni. Ninjani. Thank you very much, President of Mandahashu Workers Union and the leadership collective that has gathered workers under the Union of Mausa, which is a union that is organizing community workers in a majority of provinces in South Africa. The leadership of the Progressive Civic Congress, the leadership of Mkhonto weSizwe, and most importantly, the workers that have joined us here from different parts of Gauteng to talk about June 16, 1976. I was speaking to the president earlier, President Robert Mwende, and asked him as to how many provinces does Mausa exist in. And he said it's in Gauteng, in the Free State, in the Northwest, in Limpopo. But we do not have yet a proper existence of Mausa in other provinces. This is despite the fact that in the whole of South Africa, workers who are organized under the expanded public works programs and the community workers programs face the same conditions. So comrades, you will know that until a week ago, I had a full-time responsibility as the Secretary General of Mkhonto weSizwe. Now I do not have any full-time responsibility. So I said to the President, I'm coming to volunteer to be doing work of Mausa in the whole of South Africa. I came to volunteer to go and assist the growth and presence of Mausa in the provinces of Eastern Cape, of Western Cape, Northern Cape, and the province of KwaZulu-Natal. So Mausa must have members in all the regions of KwaZulu-Natal, from Utukela region to Amajuba, to eThekwini, to Ilembe, to Ugu, to Zululand, to Mkhanyakude, must have members in Mgungundlovu. Mausa must have members and activists in all the regions of the Eastern Cape. There must be members of Mausa in Jotabi region, in Krisani region, in Amaton, in OR Tambo, in Alfred Nzo, in Nelson Mandela Bay, in Sarah Bartman. There must be existence of Mausa in all the regions of the Western Cape, in Cape Metro and Overberg, in the Southern Cape, in Central Karoo and in the West Coast. The reason why you need a union that exists in all corners of South Africa is because when you are a bigger union that represents all the community workers and EPWP workers of South Africa, your voice is going to be heard, your voice is going to be stronger, because it doesn't make sense that this community workers program and EPWP program has been in place for many years. But if you gauge its impact, it has not been an instrument to retrieve and relieve our people of poverty. So the members of Mausa CWP workers, EPWP workers, still constitute a segment of what is called the working poor. It doesn't make sense that you are given a job that is paid for by government and your poverty does not change. You do not have medical aid. You do not have housing allowances. You do not have a proper minimum wage. So we must join hands and fight that all community workers and all EPWP workers must have a proper minimum wage, must have proper medical aid that is provided by the state, must have housing benefits, and must have paid leave. They must enjoy all the benefits.
Ubani bonke abasebenza kuma lo msebenzi lo njengabo EPWP nemisebenzi enjalo. Lezi ndaba lezi ekhunywa izindaba ezehla kahle kubo. Ngoba sizwile imeya yangapha eMpofana iba threatenisha ukuthi uma bengavoteli iANC bazophelelwa umsebenzi. But manje sebezokwazi ukumeleleka nabo bakhulunyelwe njengabantu abasebenzayo kube neminimum wage. Zindaba ezinhle kakhulu lezi. Futhi ukubona umuntu one experience ekorganizeni izinto njengo Floyd sizwile ukuthi wa-organize i-EFF yaba nama-structures jobe khona. Simbonile-ke organizer umkhonto wesizwe party. Lokhu kuyindaba ezehla kahle. Futhi-ke ukukhula, yabona funeka simncoma uFloyd. uFloyd ukhulile. Ukukhulile nje ngokwengqondo. Uyabona umuntu okhulile akasiboni isidingo sokubanga umsindo nokuthi afuna ukuphendula abantu noma kungena sidingo. Kodwa into ayenzayo nje ukuthula enza into efuneka yenze kuphela. Ngiyamncoma kuFloyd lapho ukhulile ngempela. Ukube omunye ngabe manje ufuna ukuzwelwa Nkosi yami uyatrenda selokhu uqala iviki uze qale lesibili okukhulunywa ngaye. Kodwa yena wenza into efuneka yenze. Mawubheka ama-post wakhe uyazipostela nje akanayo inkinga. Futhi usakuvezile ukuthi uyilunga lomkhonto wesizwe party. Ukuveza nokuthi akaseyona SG siyavuma kodwa manje njengoba engaseyona SG nayo into azinikela kuyazoyenza futhi entweni azoyenza ile akwazi ukuyenza kahle ukuorganize. Asimfisele inhlahlo Floyd nenqobekela phambili kunoma yini ayizamayo. Sengathi ngaphumelela kodwa lezi ndaba kubantu abasebenzela wena osenzela nje umphakathi noma abaqashwa kule ndawo zomphakathi whether EPWP, EWP zonke le ndawo lezi lama organization noma institution angase kuyindaba ezehla kahle lokho ngoba manje sebezomeleleka nabo sebezothathwa njengabasebenzi. Futhi ibhlungu lento ukuthi abantu bayasebenza bame ngoba ayikho permanent kodwa manje nabo sebezokhulunyelwa. Kuyindaba ezehla kahle kakhulu lezi. Ngiyacela kuzuphala kwakho. Ngizwe ukuthi wena uthini kulolu daba lonke. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe asidibane kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga.